Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems like this look scary, but we can solve them fast. Let's find the graph of this difference quotient in just 3 easy steps. Look closely at the expression provided in the problem. This fraction represents the change in the cosine function over a tiny interval of 0.001. It is a derivative. Since the interval is so small, we are basically looking for the derivative of cosine x. The derivative of cosine is negative sine, so we need to find that specific graph. Check the options for a negative sine wave starting at 0 and going down. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust the given derivative rules to find your answer.